Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Tphaaox, and today I'm sitting down filming a video for you guys of the newest TikTok trend for the beauty community. It is cloud skin, and believe it or not, it's just soft matte skin. Anyways, if you guys want to see how I got this on my face, continue watching and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's just get started into the video. We're going to be doing the TikTok trend cloud skin. Let me just tell you a secret that's not a secret. Cloud skin is just soft matte skin. There we go. No more trend new names, please. What? Cloud skin? Okay, but I'm gonna do it anyways. But anyways, I already did my eyebrows and my eyes off camera, so we're gonna focus on the skin. For starters, I have oily to combo skin, so that typically is normal and oily. So to do that, to get cloud skin or soft matte skin, we're going to be priming our skin. And the first primer I'm going to be using is the Glow Drop by Glow Recipe. Dewdrops by Glow Recipe, and then I'll be using a pore filling primer. Soft matte skin requires hydration because even as an oily skin girl, you need to hydrate your skin so your skin doesn't dry out during the day. So when I think about cloud skin, I think of airy, soft, you know, like it's just so elegant, you know, it's just a cloud in the sky. It just makes everyone's day. And because I have texture around my nose area and my T-zone, I'll be using a one size Secure the Blur primer, and I'm just gonna apply it right where I know I need to fill in some pores, some lines, any texture. Clouds are usually, you know, bouncy, they look airy, so that's the type of look I want. I want almost like no texture. Obviously that is not possible, but I'm gonna try my best. So I'm gonna only rub it in the areas where I need to fill in the pores and to have a more matte skin. Because I crease under my eyes a lot, I'm going to use the Milk Primer Hydro Grip Eye Primer just right under my eyes so I can have a more flawless face. I'm just gonna apply it right under my eyes so that I can have a more even, you know, skin texture, and this will help out with my concealer to last longer. After I apply it, I'm going to take my ring finger and I'm just going to dab it under my eyes so I can get all over it, making sure that it is evenly distributed all over my under eyes. Moving on to foundation, I'll be using the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, and this is a light, airy, medium to full coverage buildable foundation that makes you look like it's a filter over your skin, making it look like real skin. So not too much, but not too little. When we look at a cloud, we think of light, you know, like it's not heavy. This is the perfect foundation for that. It doesn't feel heavy, doesn't look heavy, and it looks amazing on all skin types. So I'm going to apply 2 full pumps onto my face like this, and now I'm going to be using my fingers or a brush to blend it out. Because we want the skin to look airy and almost like cloud-like, I'm gonna make sure to, you know, distribute all over my face so I can get a more even application. So I just take the end of an eyeliner brush that I got from Urban Decay, and I'm just gonna apply like this, like a spatula. Taking a foundation brush, I'm gonna dab it all over my face very lightly, and this foundation goes on amazing. It feels like you're only putting on like half of a squirt onto your face, but this builds up so beautiful to a full coverage foundation, and it feels really nice on the skin throughout the day. And I know this is gonna last because I've worn it for more than 8 hours. You guys, this is a really good foundation if you guys want a nice if you guys want a long lasting foundation. As you can see, the foundation is so airy, it looks so nice, and this is what it looks like with a brush. You can go over with a sponge if you like. I'm gonna move straight onto my concealer, and the concealer I'll be using today is a Full Filter by Huda Cosmetics, and I'm just going to apply this right under my eyes where I apply my primer and my T-zone. This concealer is super thin, but it has full coverage pigment and it has great longevity. So that's why I'll be using it for today. And because we don't want this to look heavy, I'm gonna go in with my sponge from Morphe, and I'm gonna dab in the concealer so we can get it all blended together. The skin looks good. There's still a little glow to it from the primer. It's full coverage and it does not feel heavy. And look at the blend. They just blend in together so effortlessly. So for contour, I'll be using the Rare Beauty contour stick in the shade Power Boost. And I'm just gonna give myself a little warmth, okay? Just when you look at a cloud, the sun peeks through and it just gives all this gorgeous warmth to the cloud. Then I'll be using a brush to blend it out. And I'm just gonna gently dab it where the areas I do not want to spread it out. I do not want to get it muddy. So I'm just blending it where I applied the contour. And for my blush, as always, is Happy by Rare Beauty. And I'm just gonna add one dot and one dot over here to give my skin a little warmth. And because we want everything to look soft and airy, I'm going to go back with my beauty blender and I'm just going to tap where the areas of the colors where they meet to get a more seamless blend. And there, this is the wet part of the face and it still looks like skin, still looks healthy and glowy, so it looks, you know. But then we're going to be using our powders to make sure we can have that soft matte look. Our powder that's going to make you look airy and soft is a Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish pressed powder, you know, the popular one. And I'll be taking shade 2 and I'll be going with this with my brush all over my face except for my under eyes for a lighter shade. And this is so light but it's so creamy and it still has payoff of the pigment, and as you can see it just softly sets the skin, making it still look like real skin, but it's gonna give us that, you know, filtered look. As you can see, the face is still, you know, airy, healthy, and looks like skin. And this is what is making my skin look like a soft matte complexion. After powdering my face, I go in with the Kiko Milano Flawless Fusion Bronzer Powder in shade 05. And this is going to give me that skin-like contour and warmth to the skin without doing too much. A cloud or soft matte is going to give us that more smooth, seamless blend, no harsh edges. It's just gonna make it look like it's so effortlessly, and this bronzer just does it for me. This bronzer is not a fully matte bronzer and it gives your skin this like light sheen to it, like almost like you can just see like that lifelike color. And this is really great to build up if you are afraid of contour or bronzer. This is really nice pigment too as well. It's smooth and it's just so nice on the skin. For blush, I'll be using this Too Faced Cloud Crush. I mean, isn't it just so, you know? I'll be using the shade Tequila Sunset, and this blush is so airy, it's so pretty on the skin, and it gives your skin this nice sheen just like the bronzer. I'm just going to use a blush brush and I'm just going to apply it on my apples just like this, giving this nice cheek a little color. I love a pigmented blush, but this one for the cloud technique, it just gives your skin this nice touch of color without being too much, you know what I mean? And as you can see, it gives that sheen just like the bronzer. It's really beautiful. And for a little touch of blush, I like to put on top of my tip of my nose just to get it all, you know, together. It just adds a little cuteness, and I think it's just adds a little touch. And because we want the skin to still look like soft matte even after setting spray, I'll be using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This makes your makeup last all day and all night. So I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. And I'm gonna fan myself. I'm gonna go put on a lip real quick and I'll be right back to show you the finished look. So that is the final look. This is soft matte, or cloud air as everyone is calling it. Soft matte, really nice airy touch to the skin. It gives a flawless, you know, but skin-like appearance, and I actually really love this because guess what, I love soft matte. I paired it with this nice pink mauve look just to give it a more flirty look, and I paired it with some gold hoops that just make the look just look elevated. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave the products down below, so if you guys want to see more, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see what else should I do. Should I do TikTok trends? Should I do more makeup tutorials? Or whatever you guys want to see, let me know down in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.